Yeah, we back in the house, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, today we're gonna make some chicken shawarma, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to introduce you to what we're gonna be using. So first things first, check out the chicken breasts. Yeah, we got lots of breasts in the house, you know what I'm saying? This is what we're gonna be using. Of course, you need a chicken hammer, you know what I'm saying? Then you need the spices, the chilies, the paprika, yeah, black pepper, salt, garlic, yeah, the garlic, cumin, white pepper, ginger, turmeric, and then you need an onion, and then some nuts. That's right. And then we're gonna put it in the processor. Yeah, that's right. And vinegar, of course. If you're doing this, make sure your oven has a chicken skewer. Preheat the oven to whatever the hell the maximum is, right? Whatever the hell the maximum. Alright, so now we're going to be doing breast reduction. We'll just cut it in half because you need it as thin as possible. Oh yeah. Alright, so now that we're done with that, this is when you get out the Humvee. We're going to be kind of flattening the chicken. We got this Humvee just for that. So what you do is you get the biggest section and then you just, yeah. Alright, so now that we're done with that, it's time to get out the Humvee, because this is what we use to flatten the meat. So you kind of hit it, you choose a side, kind of different sizes for each side, and you just hit it. Alright, so now that that's done, we're going to spice these things. You know what I'm saying? We're going to spice these things. Your recipes require yogurt. I just set it up with it. Just put an onion in and put in some cashew nuts, yeah. And then we just put the food processor, of course. And then just put it on. And in a while, it will turn into a similar texture to yogurt, let's just say. Okay, I'm going to start by adding oil. Forgot to mention that. Ooh, that's a bit a lot. I'm going to have to... Alright, so of these ingredients, there's no real measurements. It really depends on how much you're making. So you have to sort of have some experience in the kitchen. You have to be a bit experienced, otherwise you might end up adding too much salt or too much of this and that. So yeah, you put in each one of these ingredients accordingly, and I'll see you when that's done. Alright, so I forgot you need some lemon juice. So I like my juice fresh, you know what I'm saying? I like my juice fresh. So we have a half lemon here, we just extracted. Alright, so now I've come to by far the most messy part, let's say, of this. So when you take the chicken breasts and just stack them onto the fork. You see it has to hook into this fork right here, the end pieces. And you just do that all the way. We'll do a hyperlapse maybe. So then I would like to stick some toothpicks so they don't flop around. Alright, so I carry this over and then put it in the attachment. It's shaky, but I got it, and then we'll make it rotate. Oh yeah. Now you give it about 1.5 hours, it should be done. I guess I'll see you then.